While traveling, it's easy to forget just how exhausted our bodies can become amidst all the fun we're having. However, the moment we finally sit down, the accumulated fatigue hits us like a wave, especially when navigating through the airport with its numerous security checks and the stress of ensuring we've packed everything. Thankfully, airport lounges come to our rescue. Airport lounges are like havens for travelers, offering a range of amenities that can transform your experience. From indulging in refreshing beverages to enjoying spa massages, certain airport lounges have it all. If you are someone who appreciates comfort and luxurious surroundings, a Priority Pass membership is the perfect solution for you. So if you are curious about what opportunities a Priority Pass membership would hold for you, just keep on watching the video. Welcome to Luxury Travel Atlas, a place for the brave and the bold. For people who don't like the idea of routine life, a place for all travelers. To start, let's delve into what Priority Pass is all about. Priority Pass is a program owned by the Cullison Group that provides its members with exclusive access to some of the world's best airport lounges. Priority Pass is not only limited to airport lounges, but also encompasses a network of airport lounges, mini-suites, and even airport restaurants. The number of eligible locations may astonish you, with over 1,300 establishments available in more than 600 airports across more than 150 countries worldwide. This membership allows individuals to visit lounges regardless of whether they are traveling with economy class or premium economy class tickets. Indeed, the numbers are undoubtedly impressive. But it's worth noting that a majority of the Priority Pass locations are situated outside of the United States. Consequently, having a Priority Pass membership doesn't guarantee the same level of leisure and amenities on every single trip you embark upon. However, it's important to highlight that the likelihood of encountering such limitations is generally quite low. Now let's explore how you can obtain access to this exclusive membership. There are two primary ways to acquire a Priority Pass. First, you can purchase a membership directly. Alternatively, you can activate a free membership, which is often offered through certain credit cards. If you prefer purchasing the Priority Pass membership, you will be able to do so simply through the Priority Pass website. Upon visiting the website, you will encounter three membership tiers: Standard, Standard Plus, and Prestige. Opting for the Standard membership will require an annual fee of $99. However, it's important to note that additional charges apply, such as $35 per visit and an extra $35 for each non-member guest accompanying you. In case you prefer the Standard Plus membership, you will have to pay $329 per year, and after 10 visits, you will have to pay $35 each. On the other hand, the Prestige membership comes at a higher cost, priced at over $469 per year. With this membership tier, you won't be charged per visit. However, if you decide to bring a non-member guest along, you will still be required to pay a fee of $35 per visit for each guest. If you're fortunate enough, you may be able to obtain a Priority Pass Select membership pack through your credit card, completely free of charge. The terms and conditions of Priority Pass Select are typically defined by the credit card company, which often includes perks like 10 free visits to Priority Pass lounges. Some credit cards even offer unlimited free visits. Another benefit of this option is the ability to bring unlimited guests at no additional cost. It's important to note that each credit card has its own specific terms for its Priority Pass Select membership, so it's advisable to contact the credit card company to determine the exact details. However, before enjoying the benefits, you will need to activate your Priority Pass Select membership. Activation may take a few weeks, so it's recommended to activate your membership online well in advance of your travel plans. At this time, you can reap these benefits from Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Platinum Card from American Express, Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card, Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Card, and Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express Card. Now let us get into one of the most magnificent merits that come with Priority Pass memberships: Priority Pass lounges. As previously mentioned, Priority Pass is available at numerous airports worldwide, offering a diverse range of experiences. It's important to note that the experience can vary from one Priority Pass lounge to another because Priority Pass partners with existing lounges rather than having its own dedicated facilities. Some lounges accessible through Priority Pass may be airline lounges, while others may be operated by independent companies. The offerings in these lounges can differ significantly. While some lounges may offer limited amenities with just complimentary coffee, others can leave a lasting impression with features such as full-service bars, private phone booths, and delectable food options. Before visiting an airport, you can enhance your experience by downloading the Priority Pass app. This app provides detailed information about the services available at various lounges, allowing you to plan accordingly and make the most of your visit. Among the exceptional Priority Pass lounges, notable mentions include the SkyTeam Lounge in Vancouver, the Turkish Airlines Lounge in Bangkok, and the Turkish Airlines Lounge in Washington. These lounges not only provide essential amenities such as showers, Wi-Fi, and a good selection of food and beverages, but also elevate the experience with their own unique splendor. These top-tier lounges offer private seating options, exquisite dining choices from various cuisines around the world, invigorating massages, and breathtaking views. The combination of luxurious features and impeccable service sets them apart, making them stand-out destinations within the Priority Pass network. In certain instances where airports do not have a dedicated Priority Pass lounge, there are alternative benefits offered to members. Priority Pass may provide discounts or vouchers for specific restaurants within those airports. Examples of this include Bobby Van's Steakhouse at John F. Kennedy International Airport in New York and Corona Beach House at Miami International Airport. When it comes to utilizing these restaurant benefits, it's essential to ensure that your voucher or credit has been properly redeemed. Some restaurants may require this information up front, even before you place your order. Therefore, it's recommended to familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and procedures for redeeming these benefits at participating airport restaurants. Restaurants are not the only option that comes with the pass if there are no lounges in the airport. Since the company has partnerships with airport spas for free or discounted services, you can relax your body there as you wait for your next flight. Not to mention there are multiple times when you will be able to find yourself a minute's wait for some peace and quiet before starting your next adventure. Now let's discuss some important details to keep in mind when accessing lounges with your Priority Pass membership. It's important to note that having a Priority Pass does not guarantee automatic entrance to a lounge. Individual lounges may have specific rules regarding access for Priority Pass members. For instance, during peak times when the lounge is near or at capacity, they may refuse entry to Priority Pass members. Access is typically granted during off-peak times. This could be highly inconvenient if you do so decide to visit the airport during peak times, and is a given that you will not have any control over that. But there is a way to avoid this from happening, and we are about to tell you how to do that. One approach is to predict the size of the crowds based on the number of departures from your airport around the time of your visit. By researching and analyzing flight schedules, you can get an idea of when the airport might be busiest and adjust your plans accordingly. Another way to avoid such a situation is to put your name on the waitlist and wait outside until you're called in. Additionally, there is often a set limit on the duration of your stay in a lounge. This time limit can vary, typically ranging from 3 to 5 hours. If everything is fine, you will be able to go and present your membership card at the front desk. You can show your physical card, which is mailed to you after you activate your account or after your payment for your membership, or you can show your digital card, which can be stored in your phone's wallet or in the mobile app. In case you're bringing a guest with you, you will have to inform the front desk about it. And that wraps up our video. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. We'll keep sharing fascinating facts, insider tips, and travel hacks that every adventure enthusiast should know. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.